So, welcome to the session on making everyday medals for courage as part of Crafting Common. Courage, a good word to be thinking about these days with the difficult times that we're in. Many people are showing courage. These are medals for everyday courage. Everyone is showing courage in some form at the moment, and in general in life, and often it goes unacknowledged. It's courageous to find joy in small things when everything around you can seem difficult. We're all being courageous through these times. And that's how you do a medal for everyday courage. So go ahead and make one, or make two, or make many, and enjoy the process. And I'll see you next time. Okay. Bye.